Welcome to Coder Station.
So welcome fellow coders to Coder Station, your one-stop destination for all the things that are related to programming, coding and etc. I'm thrilled to have you here on a new video series where we'll embark the exciting journey into the world of Java programming. Whether you are a beginner that is diving into programming or an experienced developer seeking to expand your skill set, this channel is designed to be your go-to resource for mastering the art of programming. So not wasting any time, let us move on to this first video. So in this video, I'll give you an introduction and more information about Java programming language. So what basically is Java programming language? Java is a very popular coding language amongst all the coders in the entire world. It is widely used for coding web applications, desktop applications and many more. It is used by millions of users today and it has been used to create many famous applications. So I'll tell you about them in the further video. So first, let us know about how Java came into the programming world, or how was Java invented. So Java was created at Sun Microsystems. There, James Gosling led a team of researchers in an effort to create a new language that would allow consumer electronic devices to communicate with each other. The work on this language began in 1991, and the work of this language was completed in 1995. A very long time taken to create this masterpiece. Java further became so famous that Java now is one of the most known computer language around the globe, and it is widely spread across the world that every single technology we use has a bit of it. Further, due to great success of Java programming language, on January 27, 2010, Oracle, a very well-known database software company, acquired Java programming language. Basically, they bought Java programming language and so, according to a survey that was taken in the beginning of 2023, there are 27.7 million Java developers that are using it right now. So, why is it necessary to learn Java? So, the main reasons why you should learn Java programming is that it offers you a wide range of job opportunities. There are plenty of career opportunities that are available in the market when you know Java programming. So, the second main reason why you should learn Java is written in its tagline itself. Write once, run anywhere, or sometimes even write once, run everywhere. This slogan or this tagline was developed by Sun Microsystems to illustrate its benefits, basically cross-platform benefits of Java programming. This refers to its ability to run on any device regardless of its operating system or hardware components. Then, the ease of use and versatile nature. It is a very strong programming language that can be used to define n number of applications, and it is very easy to use. Then one of the most important things is that Java is used in almost all the fields, whether it be a financial field, e-commerce sites, even enterprises, mobile companies, or even big data engineers make use of Java programming. So let me tell you about the key features of Java programming language. So begin with them. The first key feature of Java is simple. So by simple, it is very easy to learn. Even the youngest Java programmer is only 6 years old. So anyone can easily learn it. Then next is OOP language. OOP language basically means that Java is an object-oriented language. That is, it supports features of OOP programming languages that are polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation and much more, and further explain it to you in the later video series. Then it is platform independent, that it can run on any platform regardless of what software you have or what hardware components you have. It basically runs on JVM. What is a JVM? I'll tell it to you in later series, but mainly you should understand that even if you have the oldest of computers, you can learn Java programming easily on it. Then portable. By portable, it means work everywhere. So Java programming language can work on any PC. Like for example, if you had an old PC and was learning programming in it, and then you wanted to transfer that data from one place to another computer, or you buy a new one and you want to test it, it can easily be worked on there. So the next Java feature is robust. You won't be familiar, or basically the new programmers won't be familiar with what robust actually means. So the Java programming language is robust, which means that it is capable of handling unexpected termination of program. The main two reasons behind this is, firstly, it has a very important and helpful feature which is called as exception handling. An exception, basically, if any error occurs in Java program, this error won't affect the whole program or the whole application and will save the application from crashing. In other low-level languages, the programs may crash, but in this Java programming language, the application is saved and no error is occurred to your application. The next feature is secure. So what does it mean when I tell you that Java is a secure language? The Java security technology provides the developer with a comprehensive security framework for writing application, and also provides the user or the administrator with a set of security managing applications. These tools basically are named as or structured as tools.jarsigner.keytool, which help a programmer to write a secure code. Then it is interpreted. So let me tell you what is an interpreted language. In programming languages, you have learned that they use either the compiler or an interpreter. But in Java programming languages, we use both a compiler and an interpreter. Java programs are compiled to generate bytecodes, then these files are then sent to JVM. I'll tell you what is JVM in our further videos. JVM interprets the bytecode files during execution. Along with the JVM, we also make use of JIT compiler sometimes. Then the last main feature is multithreading, which is one of the key features that was introduced in Java programming language. What is multithreading? So basically, multithreading helps us to perform multiple tasks at one time. This saves time in programming. So further, we look on to applications, mainly real-life applications of Java programming language. So these are the main 6 real-life applications of Java programming language. To start with, let us start with IoT. What is IoT? Internet of Things. Java is the most acceptable language for running IoT devices. It is a programming language with an independent platform due to its flexibility and mobility. And the main applications of Java in IoT are in web development, Android development, desktop app development, and many things. Then comes big data. So there are various programming languages like Python with big data users. Yet most programmers prefer Java for big data technology. Why? Because most prominent big data tools such as Hadoop and Deep Learning 4J use this Java programming language. And the community support for Java in big data technology is literally excellent. Then even in mobile app development, that is Android app development, Java programming is mainly used. Java developers use this language to write 50% of all Android applications. Not only that, Android Studio, the official IDE for creating Android apps, make use of it too. So if you are comfortable with Java programming language, Android development is much easier for you. So the next real-life application is for making desktop applications. Java is also well known for its usage in developing graphical user interface for desktop software. A plethora of Java structure is accessible for making GUI components and GUI application development for desktop softwares. These include structures like Swing, AWT, JavaFX, Griffon, and many more. So if you want to construct a desktop application, Java is an excellent choice. Then we'll move on to video games, are everyone's favorite. Definitely, if you are a teenager, you must be playing one or the other video game. So even for these game creations, game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine, these are one of the most famous game companies around the globe. These engines use Java programming language as a backend software language. Java also has several frameworks and libraries which are available for game development, such as libgdx and OpenGL. Then, mainly web-based programmers. Basically, Java is a very popular server-side programming language. To tell you, it is frequently used to build web-based applications because of its extensive support for web development via Servlet, JSP, and Struts. Spring, Struts, Hibernate, Apache Hadoop, and JSF. These are the most popular Java frameworks for building web applications. Examples of many famous websites are LinkedIn, AliExpress, Amazon, and many more make use of Java programming language. And with that, I'd like to wrap up our introductory video on Java programming. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. And if you enjoyed this content and want to explore the vast world of Java and other programming languages, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Coder Station for more exciting tutorial tips and tricks. So, in the further video series, I'll tell you about how to write your first Java code, how you'll begin with Java coding, and much more about Java. Remember, your passion for coding fuels your dedication to providing valuable and accessible programming resources. So keep coding, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. Thank you once again for joining us here at Coder Station. Until next time, happy coding!